Just wait till I catch you in the dark corner. You will get the dangerous beating.
Hi my beautiful stars, I hope that you're doing so well today. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks to selling to Plato's Closet. So I'm sorry about the light situation here, the blinds are kind of going crazy, but it's like golden hour and I didn't have any other good places to film, so I'm in my living room. But I hope this video will help you nonetheless, especially if you're wanting to get into that reselling game and making some quick and easy cash. So let's get into it. Also, before I get into it, I hope that you consider subscribing. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and that would just mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you won't miss any time I upload. And also liking this video helps my channel grow too. So that would just mean so much to me, just taking a quick second to like the video. All right, let's get into it. So the first tip is to nicely fold up your items, and I go the extra mile and I actually will iron or steam the clothing. And now this might not make some sense for certain clothing items that will get wrinkled anyways, but I like to just do it because I think it makes the items look a bit more presentable and it's kind of just nicer to do that. I think it makes it easier for the people to go through the items too, especially if they have a lot to look through. The second tip is to use a reusable bag. So using a fun one like this dog printed one from Home Goods is so easy to just quick and fill up, and these are actually these are really big bags too, so they fit a lot of stuff. But I think that knowing which bag is yours, especially when you come back to pick up your clothing and they're done sorting, you can be like, that's my bag, and it doesn't get confused with a black garbage bag or a Target plastic bag. I just think using a reusable bag also just makes you look a little bit more presentable and they'll be excited to look through your things. The third tip is to dress nicely. So this goes with that presentable aesthetic that I try to go for when I am selling my clothing to them. I think that just dressing nice kind of shows that hey, she's cute, she's wearing a cute outfit, she likes fashion, she's gonna have cute stuff that I want to buy from her. So that's just something that I think about, and that's worked in the past. The fourth tip is to have the better labels on top so that the people are more excited to look through the rest of your items. Let's say a Free People item, or maybe something just really cute from Hollister or Abercrombie, I don't really know. But personally, if I have a Free People item, I'll put that on top and then maybe a fun Lululemon piece or whatever at the bottom, and it'll just get kind of more mall brandy towards the bottom, like Old Navy Active and stuff like that. And then they're just more excited to look through the rest of your things if you have something super fun and cute on the top. The fifth tip is to just be nice. Being kind can go such a long way, and people that work in retail, especially someone from experience, being nice to someone, asking how their day is going, how their morning is going to just make them feel a little bit more confident and nicer, and overall just have a better day. So just being nice can do a lot. The next tip is to try and look through the store prior to selling your clothes there, just to see what they already have in store, maybe what they have a lot of, what they're low on stock in, things like that. And with that, you can also call beforehand and ask them what items they're looking for, what type of season of items they're looking for. So since it's already August, they're probably gonna start looking for fall items, and they're going to want jeans, scarves, long sleeves, vests, things like that. And then as the fall gets away from us, they'll want winter stuff, and then so on and so forth. Just being prepared, then you can look through what they might not take from you and you can just donate that or save it for a later time. The next tip is to get there when they open. So I'm not a big morning person. I try so hard to be a morning person, but if you aren't, just maybe get the clothes in your car the night beforehand, get some coffee ready, and just go. And I think that this is just helpful because you're gonna beat the rush. I've been there at 2 o'clock in the afternoon before, and there was 10 bags ahead of me, and so they finished my sorting within 2 hours. And if you don't want to wait that long, then I would definitely recommend just getting there early. I think they'll thank you in the end because you're not going to overwhelm them by adding more bags to what they already have in their line. The next tip is to cut out date tags. So date tags are found in the style number kind of region of the inside tag. It's the care tag. It'll be a little small one underneath that, at least for Old Navy, Gap, and Banana items, and Athleta, it's like that. And cutting the date tags, I've heard, helps because they do look for items that are about a year old or less. I've heard this from some workers on TikTok. I have not personally tested this theory, but if you have, comment down below and tell us if it worked for you, because I really want to know. But I would just recommend trying it out. It doesn't hurt to just do that. It's not going to harm you selling the item in the future anyways. The next and last tip is, oh, I already did that. So those are all my tips. I hope that these tips did help you out, and let me know if you have any ones that I missed down below. I'd love to hear them because I'm always looking for new things to learn, and I think it'd be cool to just like help each other out, help this little community. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you next time. Shine bright and stay safe. Bye!